Meep meep. just what you need. Let me tell you how to get a chicken. What's the matter, Buster? You bad old putty tat. I'm hungry. Come out, come out. I'm the putty tat now.
Youch! Ow! Youch! Woohoo! Yahoo! Yahoo! I knew I should have taken that left turn at Albuquerque. Excuse me, Doc. Do you know how to get the Pismo? Of course you realize this means war. Say, Bub, here's a delivery for you. Stop that thing, Bub. We haven't even finished the tutorial yet. Hey, Doc. Yeah, you. This place is a mess, and I'm gonna need your help to fix it. Come on. What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? And I thought this was gonna be a dull day. And I thought this was gonna be a dull day. And I thought this was gonna be a dull day. Put 'em up, Doc. All right there, Doc. I have not even begun to fight. I have not even begun to fight. Of course you know this means war. Of course you know this means war. Of course you realize this means war. Of course you know this means war. Why, certainly, my boy. Why, certainly, my boy. Why, certainly, Doc. Hooray for the rabbit. Hooray for the rabbit. Hooray for the rabbit. What's up, Doc? Gee, ain't I a stinker? Well, what did you expect in an opera? A happy ending? You know, sometimes me conscience kinda bothers me, but not this time. Killed a rabbit? Welcome to my shop. Let me cut your mop. Let me shave your crop. Ooh! Oh! Ow! Ooh! Ow! Youch! That's gonna leave a mark. Yahoo! Woohoo! Yahoo! Yahoo! Aren't we gruesome? Aren't we gruesome? Well, aren't we gruesome? You're despicable. You're despicable. You're despicable. You're despicable. Oh, that's the last straw. That's the last straw. That's the last straw. Survival of the fittest. And besides, it's fun. Woohoo! Survival of the fittest. And besides, it's fun. Say, what's going on around here? What's the big idea? Say, what's going on around here? What's the big idea? Say, what's going on around here? What's the big idea? Say, what's going on around here? What's the big idea? Good, clean, wholesome fun. Good, clean, wholesome fun. Good, clean, wholesome fun. Duck Dodgers in the 24th and a half century! Why, they can't do this to me. It's unconstitutional. Hankering for some trouble, eh? This looks like a job for the Scarlet Pumpernickel. Yikes! And away! I'm not crazy. I just don't give a darn. Woohoo! Ooh! Ow! Ooh! Ouch! 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 Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yahoo! Yippee! Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits. Listen to the rhythmic rhythm of the woodwinds as it rolls around and around. Listen to the rhythmic rhythm of the woodwinds as it rolls round and around and around. Listen to the rhythmic rhythm of the woodwinds as it rolls round and around. You'll never take me alive. You'll never take me alive. You'll never take me alive.
You'll never take me alive. Say your prayers. Say your prayers. Say your prayers. Shh. I'm hunting rabbits. There's something screwy around here. 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 Anytime someone thinks they can outsmart Elmer J. Fudd, they got another thing coming. You know, anytime someone thinks they can outsmart Elmer J. Fudd, they got another thing coming. You think you can outsmart Elmer J. Fudd? Well, think again. You think you can outsmart Elmer J. Fudd? Then you got another thing coming. Kill the rabbit! Kill the rabbit! Kill the rabbit! I say, son. I say. Ah, ooh, ouch! Ah, now listen here, son. Ooh, ow! Ah, ooh! Now hold on, boy. Yeah, I say, yahoo, boy! Yahoo! Yeah, I say, yahoo! Gotta keep on your toes, I say. Boy, they won't know what hit 'em. Go away, boy, you bother me. That's a joke, I say, that's a joke, son. Son.
Ooh, ouch! Ooh, ow! Ouch! Oh, splendid! Yahoo! Oh, yippee! Oh, great! Yahoo! Oh, splendid! Oh, splendid! Oh, splendid!
I'm a chicken hawk. One of these has got to be a chicken. I ain't so little. Do I have to slap you around?
Ouch! Ouch! Ow! I'm not angry, just terribly, terribly hurt. Yahoo! Woohoo! Yahoo! Soon there'll be no Earthlings left to interfere with my plans. Isn't that lovely? Oh dear, another Earth creature. Now I suppose I shall have to use force. That wasn't nice at all. Luckily, I have my reatomizer at hand. Oh dear. Greetings, Earth creature. Are you ready? Greetings, Earthling. Are you ready? Oh, greetings, Earth creature. Are you ready? Ooh, isn't that lovely? Oh, isn't that lovely? Isn't that lovely? Halt, Earth creature, and be fricasseed. Halt, and be fricasseed. Halt, and be fricasseed. This makes me very angry indeed. Oh, this makes me very angry indeed. This makes me very angry indeed. This makes me very angry indeed. Brace yourself for immediate disintegration. Brace yourself for immediate disintegration. Brace yourself for immediate disintegration. Well, back to the old drawing board. Well, back to the old drawing board. Well, back to the old drawing board. I better bring this thing back to the shop. Where's the kaboom? There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom. Where's the kaboom? There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom. Where's the kaboom? There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom! Well, that's funny. There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom. I'm going to blow up the Earth. Prepare for disintegration.
Yay!
Oui, baby. I am the locksmith of love. No? And now we dance.
Oh that's hilarious. Oh, that's funny. Oh, I can't stop laughing. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ouch! 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 Oh, happy day. Yahoo! 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 Hooray! Hey! What's the big idea? 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 Oh, sure. Yeah, oh, sure. Oh, sure. Take that, and that, and that too. Take that, and that, and that. 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 Oh, they're trying to work on my sympathies, huh? Oh, they're trying to work on my their sympathies, huh? Oh, they're trying to work on my sympathies, huh? Don't dilly time's a wasting. Don't dilly time's a wasting. Don't dilly don't dilly time's a wasting. That's all, folks. 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 Lucky for him, it is a one-horse town. Hey, that's not in the script. You don't want to be smothered in onions, do you?
Morning, Sam. Meep, beep, 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 beep. Ouch! Ouch! Well, good for you. Yay. Yahoo. Yahoo. Whoopee. Yay. Yahoo. Yippee. Good for you. Morning, Ralph. Morning, Ralph. Morning, Ralph. Have a good day, Ralph. Have a good day, Ralph. Have a good day, Ralph.
Andale, arriba, yeehaw!
That's how we cats survive. I can't stand a Thor Luther. Sufferin' succotash. Ah, shut up. That's silly. That's ridiculous. I despise the Scarlet Pumpernickel.
Ouch! 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 Yahoo! 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 Oh, Father, the shame of it all. Oh, Father, the shame of it all. Oh, Father, the shame of it all. Oh, the shame. Oh, the shame. Oh, the shame. Oh, what are we? Cannibals? Oh, what are we? Cannibals? Oh, I just can't bear to watch. Oh, I just can't bear to watch. Oh, I just can't bear to watch. I'm so tired of being an alley cat. I'm so tired of being an alley cat. I'm so tired of being an alley cat. A golden opportunity. A golden opportunity. A golden opportunity. Oh, Father. Oh, Father. Oh, Father. Oh, the shame. Oh, the shame. Yahoo! Oh, I just can't bear to watch.
You know, I was more putty test that way.
Oh. Wile E. Coyote, super genius. Wile E. Coyote, super genius. Wile E. Coyote, super genius. Morning, Sam. Morning, Sam. Morning, Sam. Wile E., you genius, you've done it again. 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 Genius.
That's what it is. Sheer genius. Genius. That's what it is. Sheer genius. Genius. That's what it is. Sheer genius. Allow me to introduce myself. Allow me to introduce myself. Allow me to introduce myself. Super genius. Oh, I like the sound of that. Super genius. I like the sound of that. Super genius. Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Watch it! Ouch! Oh! Ah! Eek! Ow! Yahoo! Yahoo! Yippee-ki-yay! I hates that rabbit. Darn varmints! Ooh, I hates rabbits. This town ain't big enough for the two of us. When I say whoa, I mean whoa! Say goodbye, rabbit.